Hello guys, today we have got this Easyphone Elite with a sound booster feature. This shows here sound booster feature. It has got some features like loud and clear sound, emergency button, auto callback feature, dock charging, care touch enabled. This care touch facility, it is the remote operation of this phone, so it can be operated from anywhere. So it is for the senior citizens, like it has got this configuration for care touch facility, so after that you can configure it remotely. So this is the phone, and this is the charging dock with an adapter, so you can plug in this adapter to any socket, and then you can put this phone here, and then it will be like docked and remain charged always. So here it shows senior world. So this is the look of the phone, you can see it. So I have inserted the SIM card, so here we can see it has got this time, and the buttons are very well. You can see it has got this M1 M2 special buttons for some particular purpose. You can store the contact numbers here for directly calling. It has got this dedicated camera button, this dedicated flashlight button. See, it is a nice little flash. So it has got volume rockers. Also the main part is this SOS. It has got this SOS button also. So this is it. Bye.